I found a few things at my local dollar store that I thought would make a cool Halloween decoration. Let's try it. Welcome to Mending and Making. This is Jo. For this project, I'm going to use this plastic candy jar, Halloween necklaces, and craft sand. First, let's cut the necklace into smaller pieces. Now let's add the sand to the jar. Add the necklace pieces to the jar and mix it up. Secure the top with some glue. I thought this project needed a little bit extra detail. I found this fake spider web that I bought last year. I'm going to add a little bit to the top of the jar. I'm going to secure this fake spider web with some hot glue. I think this turned out pretty cute. Perfect for a centerpiece for your table. Happy Halloween, everyone!